Okay, the goal of this section of the video is to show you how to take this tile and then make it into a, which is now just a generic element, and make it into a family element so that we can repeatedly use it and modify it and create parametric elements to it. So it's a little bit convoluted, or unintuitive, should I say, on how to do that. So Autodesk, I've flipped out to a web page right now, and here's some steps that it goes through creating a model in place component to a family component. So we've already created a model in place. We're going to click on that model in place and we're going to do an edit in place. We're going to select all of that extrusion and make it into a model group. This is tricky because you're inside of something when you decide to save it as this library group. So we'll go through this process and we'll probably repeat it a few times so that you can get the hang of it. But you can always come back and review this section of the video. So let's go out to Revit. We're going to grab the unit that we want to make into a family. We're going to go to Edit in Place. We're going to grab that whole element and we're going to make it a group. And then we're going to go to File. We're going to save it as a library element, as a group, not a family. And you'll notice the file types that are available, it says Revit Family. It's really important that it says this here. And we'll save that into our rain screen mockup file. And we won't use the same, we're going to call it tile. We'll call it tile 1 for reference. And we'll save that. And there it is. It just popped out to the editor and then it closes it off. So we're going to finish the model. And now this is still a generic model, but now if we go to component, place a component, we need to load that family in. We can go to tile. Now we have it as a family element, and we go ahead and place that. So now we have a Revit family element, and if we were to go and let's say edit this, we're going to change the length of it. So I'm going to go edit family. We'll go out to our familiar family editor. We'll grab it and we'll change its length. We'll make it 2 feet long. And we'll load that back into the project. I haven't saved that project name yet. Okay. And we'll overwrite the existing version. And now they all get larger. So now we have a component that we can globally change the values of it. And we'll go through that in a few of the other components that we're going to produce in the next segments.